say that the Hausa and Fulani don't call for Nigeria to divide in peace. They say they don't want war because the way it be like this, they don't want another war happen for inside Nigeria. It better say the Igbos and Biafra go peacefully so that there will not be war. Hausa and Fulani are calling this call. No be smart, you know. They say for Niger State today, the youth don't carry flag go up because of the hardship and the hunger where they for inside Nigeria. So they talk right now. As that one they happen, even though you ask people in the street, they go tell you say things, you know, be like it be before. He says his way mama and papa born am, say he never buy a cup of garri for 2,000 naira, and now everything don't go up. This our brother exposed to number or so many things of because they know wetin dey happen for Nigeria. The cabals know wetin dey happen for inside Nigeria. However, we'll go find out how all this thing take dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Barnabas Gist. If today na the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring you update back to back as they hot. And if you know say you never give the channel a follow, may you quickly do so, and do not forget to share this video so that other people could get information and know wetin dey happen. Let's jump into the matter where we'll get for our hand today. They say that the Hausas, as we they talk right now, don't call for Igbos to go on their separate way, and Biafrans to go impulsive. Say they don't want war. It better say may they go so that there will not be war in Nigeria again. Now can say this one they happen for here. Finally, now they do this call, but however, we'll go listen to this call where they call say may Igbos, may Biafrans go. We'll just watch the video before we come back. We'll continue.
Voices of millions of Igbo cannot be heard, so that Nigerians can understand the degree to which secession by the Igbo represents their popular choice. Nigeria has had to fight two terrible wars to preserve the country. The North has paid its dues in that war, and indeed in many ways throughout the history of our country. Under our current circumstances, no Nigerian should welcome another war to keep this country together. The North in particular has more than enough challenges, and we recognize that violent secession by any part of Nigeria will compound the problems of all Nigerians under which we live. The forum has arrived at the difficult conclusion that if support for secession among the Igbo is as widespread as it is being made to look, and Igbo leadership appears to be in support of it, then the country should be advised not to stand in its way. It will not be the best choice for the Igbo or Nigerians to leave a country we have all toiled to build, and a country we all have responsibility to fix. But it will not help a country already burdened with failures on its knees to fight another war to keep the Igbo in Nigeria.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be smarty, no. They say that the Yorubas for they cry hard because of how things they go for inside their market. As they talk right now, we will play this video. May you hear what this woman talk. He say if they not take time, or say go come on in cloth, go government house or go ask them for food. Things never even start. Let's watch the video before we go come back. Go continue.
It's too much. This sufferance is too much for this country. Please, if government work, if they cannot protest, we Yalaja, we go open our nyash, we go open our press, we go protest. Too much sufferance is too much for this country. But before you win, you go suffer. The sufferance is too much. Please, madam, find solution for this things. It's too much. Gary 2,000 naira. Since when my father bought me, I did not buy 1,000 naira pence of Gary. The selling is 2,000 naira now. It's too much. The savannah is too much. Even say rice, the Rika one rice of 1,200 naira. For what reason? It's too much, to buy meat. Even the Pama said rice up. Two fish for Chicago or Chicago, 1,200 naira, 3 of pieces of it. It's too much. Hey, guys, I know why.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, madam, are you not one of the people who are singing a minoko, say, na our turn, may Igbos come up for una Lagos? I believe you are one of the people, because it's most of you people that are complaining bitterness with the talk. But however, it don't be. You see these 8 years, we go finish them. We go finish the 8 years. When I go there for Nigeria that time, we go waka enter Biafra side go stay, because we believe that things no go be like that for inside the place. The people we want help the nation when they pursue, they know they cry you. Everybody they eat well. I believe so. If our people cry come outside, you go see the massive support we go come from outside, go give the people. So it never to reach us like that. But however, it did the whole in geria as we they talk right now. So why am I saying this? Is because when you support evil, that evil way you support, you go turn back, come they follow you. Now waiting the first Yorubas now as we they talk, I will tell you that this hunger it did too much for inside Lagos. So my people, let's listen to waiting this our brother message where in pass, where in talk concerning Tinubu. Listen very well before we come back. Continue.
Age I can be the president of this country, and I will tell you I'm not aware of what is going on. Then it means I am not supposed to be there in the first place. If you're in the place where your impact is not felt, then your presence was never needed. I am very, very pained. My grandmother in the village cannot go to farm all alone because of insecurity. So are you not telling me that a nation of over 200 million people cannot fight insecurity? We can, but some people have actually politicized this thing. And that is why even the rice farmers cannot go to the farm now to say they want to produce rice, because somebody will be there to kill them. Now, the basis for kidnappers now in this country, once they catch you, you are paying 100 million. You and I, if I ask you now, God forbid, if they pick any of your family member, God forbid, can you afford 100 million naira? Is it not when you even have the 100 million that you think of 100 million? I don't have 100,000 naira in my account. So God forbid they pick any of my family member and ask me for 200,000. Where will I get it from? And these people believe that there is no way, you will source out this money. And can I shock you, sir? None of these kidnappers have ever been arrested. Each time you arrest these kidnappers, they are always looking wretched. If I am worth 10 million, as I am standing, from my dresses, you will see 10 million. You will see sign of 10 million. So someone who has been collecting 100 million, about 5 times, 500 million. When you see the person, you see the kind of shoe he's putting on, you will know that someone is actually sponsoring these people. Someone somewhere is negotiating on their behalf, collecting the ransom on their behalf. And the government of the day is aware. They can't claim not to be aware. It is not possible. Because they see all Nigerians, they see all the masses, the presidency see all the masses as noisemakers. And this was exactly the same thing Buhari did. He believed we are all noisemakers. And can I shock you? If we decide to organize a small protest now, they will send firearms against us, they will kill us, and nothing will happen. That is why I said solution. There is no solution. So I am talking to you now because God has said I should talk. I am talking to you now because I have hope in God. So God has been the one sustaining us. But talking about solution, honestly, sir, I can tell you that there is no solution. These people doesn't feel anything for us. This one I am talking now. If they have the power to shut, if they catch me, what are we saying? There is no solution anywhere. If we should organize ourselves now that we are going to National Assembly, the next thing you will see soldiers shooting at us. These people have no conscience.
So another one, Nigeria is doomed.
It's gone. It is gone. It is not. It is irreparable. I am telling you, because Buhari came and he laid down a bad precedence. We know what happened during the election. By the grace of God, I am not very educated, but from the way I talk, you will know I am not stupid either. I am neither educated nor stupid, so I am just in the middle. So somebody will not call me an illiterate, and I will simply not call myself a well-educated fellow. So from the way I talk, you will know that I actually know what I'm saying. The country is gone. Because the next person that will come, we say, Buhari did it, you people did not talk. And that's right. Tinubu also did it, we did not talk. And that is also right. Let the court tell Tinubu to do things like this. Now Tinubu will tell the court that he is the court himself. So tell me, in a place where rule of law is not in existence, do you think we can do anything? The country is gone, Nibaba. Let's not deceive ourselves. See, you are surviving not because the country wants you to survive. You are surviving because God has said you should survive. Your children are eating because how much are you even earning now? Your salary cannot even take care of yourself, let alone your family. If you want to buy wears, your salary cannot cater for your wardrobe alone. The country is gone, like it is gone. So we are talking because we feel, okay, there is still that God factor. You understand now? We are talking, I am talking this way, I am being passionate about the whole thing because I still believe in that God factor, being a Christian. So apart from the God factor, forget it. Nigeria is long gone. Right from when Buhari came in, it is gone. You know, a situation where we tell you, nothing, we go do anything and nothing will happen. Nigeria is gone, like it's gone. It's gone.
Yamutu Nigeria.
Yes, my wonderful people. Now, so we'll see am for today. Story of waiting they happen for inside Nigeria, and will they bring am for you? May you know the country where you dey inside, because I believe say everybody they feel am for body as it be right now. But what is the solution? The youth. I hear waiting Portable talk last time. You see that guy is making sense. Out of the whole musician we have in Nigeria, is only one who come outside to make some sense inside them. Yes, football is there, but you cannot be happy when you can't even eat. You can't even eat 3 square meals. You can't even go where you go before because of the cost of transport and other things. But still yet, are you people channeling your energy that you will channel on these people? You know, listen, after this football, they are going to bring another program to distract you youth. This is the one thing that made me hate Nigeria youth most. Once there is a struggle like this, or something is going on, and you people want to bring energy, you will see them, they will bring out one program for you people. This one, they may call it a big sister and big this, and be doing one rubbish. Then you guys will put interest and be watching than to wake up to fix your own country. But however, when I see you people yabbing other countries too, it do pay me. It pay me so much because you don't have to do that. You have to, they say charity begin at home. You have to fix your home first before you can begin to talk about other people. So this football, everybody carrying the head today, Nigeria win. I was thinking that day the Nigeria qualified, that the fuel and many things will come down, but still yet it's going up. Tomorrow, Nigeria is going to play again. After tomorrow, things will still be where you are. So nobody will do that change. Since that the government have refused to do the needful, the youth is only people who have the capacity to change the narrative. But the youth who are there to change the narrative are busy on social media. So guys, if you don't have a country, remember that you will not be comfortable blogging or doing anything in the street tomorrow. Guys, share this video and make sure that you follow this page for more updates as it dey hot.